So we got the Vance Hines FuelPak. We're gonna map it. I'll probably do a basic map today and probably ride tomorrow, see how it feels, see how it handles, and then see if I need to auto tune it from there. Installation guide is pretty simple. You find your little port, you plug it in, you turn on your accessory mode, and then it will bring up your VIN number that it's connected to. So right now it's just updating the firmware, but what I will do is I will get a double-sided Velcro and I will mount this fuel pack right here so it sits inside the battery, on the battery case, inside the battery cover. So we got it attached. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a map. Vance Hines Mini-Grenades. And we'll go right here with the stock 883 with the HiFlow air filter, and we'll program this bike to this map. And once you map something to your bike, you've married that fuel pack, so you can't use it on another bike. Now it's flashing it. Once you map it, it'll say waiting for you to turn off the bike. You turn off the bike, and then it'll be about 30 seconds. It gives you a full timer. I'll have the whole process screenshotted from my phone, and I'll upload that later just so you guys can get an idea. Once it gives you the 30-second countdown, it'll tell you to turn the bike back on, and that the Bluetooth will automatically reconnect. And the map has been transferred. Then it'll ask you if you want to share it. I don't. I'm done. And that's it.